Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with some happy birthday mail from my dear friend Siobhan, who you all know as Pearl and Button. But I will have a link to Siobhan's channel in the description box for you guys. If you are not subscribed to this very talented lady, please go over and do so. And she sent me a package for my birthday, and I'm a couple of days late filming it. I've just had a lot going on here. And so I'm getting to it now, and it's been very hard not to peek. But I am going to open it now. So thank you so much, Siobhan. Mwah, my dear friend. Thank you. So let me open it up and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a card. Oh my gosh. You're in so much trouble, my friend. Let's see here. This is the card. Sorry about the sun. Not a lot I can do about it at the moment. Let me take off my autofocus because, of course, I forgot that again. Okay, so let's open the card. See what's in here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look how cute that is. I love it. It has a little kitty. Oh, I love it. I love the colors. I love everything about it, Siobhan. That's so cute. Let me just read it and see what it says. Oh, I'm late filming it, Siobhan, so don't worry about it. Thank you so much. You are my dear friend, too, and love and hugs back to you, my very dear friend. Thank you so much. You're just the best. So, we'll do this first, I think, because that was on the top. So we'll do this first. She's got this wrapped up with some happy birthday washi tape. How cute is that? Can you see the washi tape there? It says happy birthday. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm going to save that washi tape. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What did you do? Let me save the washi. Oh my gosh, Siobhan. Is it a scarf? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh, it's a wrap. Siobhan, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. It's a wrap, a fringe wrap in a beautiful vintage dusty pink color. Oh, I hope the camera will pick up the color. And it's got crushed velvet on top. It's like a burnout velvet. Oh my goodness, Siobhan, that is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I'm speechless. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it so much. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Wow. You are the dearest friend to me, Siobhan. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So amazing. Ah, that just, I'm speechless. Thank you so much, Siobhan. It's beautiful. That I will wear that to a couple of special things I have coming up this holiday season. So I'm going to be wearing this. So thank you so much. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. The color's gorgeous. I love the fringe. Look at that fringe. Oh, see the velvet? Oh, it's just beautiful. Siobhan, thank you so much. You're amazing. You're amazing. Okay, now I know she made these bags. They're gorgeous. And it's like a linen canvas bag. And she's got lots of dangle trim and some burlap with lace on the back here. And then she's used doilies and bling. Look how beautiful this is. I love it. And then on the side here, she's got this really cool button. And then she's got a tag that she's made here and some beautiful eyelet trim and fiber. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my goodness, you did not. Oh my goodness, you sent me Jaffa cakes. You're amazing. You're amazing. You sent me Jaffa cakes. Oh my gosh. If you guys don't know what Jaffa cakes are, I can't get them here except at a specialty shop. These are a UK brand chocolate orange cookie cake thing. And they're one of my most favorite treats. And my UK friends have been hooking me up. Shannon sent me a package, and now Siobhan has sent me a package. So thank you guys so much. I love these. Siobhan, you're so sweet. I love those. And then she's got a little bag here. It says, "You're the cup to my cake." Oh my goodness. It says, "Eat more cake." And it has a little doily here and this little colorful, which I love, tassel here. And she's used this beautiful Paris butterfly fabric. And inside it is, she told me she had made, this is my birthday cake from Siobhan. So you put this in a mug and you add 3 tablespoons of water or milk and you microwave it, and then you put the icing on it. So this is my Irish birthday cake. Siobhan, you're the best. Thank you so much. I love it. Oh, it's rainbow chip too. Yum. Well, I know what I'm going to be having later today. Oh my goodness, you're the best. Thank you so much. You just make me happy and smiley. Thank you so much, Siobhan. You're amazing. And now we have a second incredible bag here. Sorry, my desk is a hot mess because I have like 3 or 4 projects on the go here. She made another beautiful bag here with gorgeous laces and trims and a beautiful velvet button in silver. And then she's made this big flower on top and then finished it off with this gorgeous trim. And then on the side, she's made this beautiful gold dangle here with the sari ribbon and the chain. I love it. And there's a little tiny rolled rose there. But look at these beautiful beads here. Look how gorgeous these are, and the tassel that she did. I love that. And she's tied it with this blue-gray ribbon, or lace, pardon me, and then she's made another tag here. And there's a little charm on here that says fly. And it has a dragonfly on it, which I love dragonflies. Oh my gosh. I know what this is. Oh my goodness, Siobhan. I saw her make this for one of her design team projects. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe you sent me this. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, you're the best. You're amazing. Okay, Siobhan made this for a design team project, and it's like an altered file folio. And it opens up. She's done such an incredible job on it, but look at the front here. And this is some Stamperia paper. I think it's called Leather and Lace or something. You'll have to let me know in the comments, Siobhan. I forget the title of it. Old Lace, maybe. And she's sewed the whole thing. It's got lots of pockets. And look at the tiny, tiny little rose here on this tag that she's got in the back here. It's gorgeous. I'm really sorry about the sun. So that's the back, and then the front here, she's got this amazing tag that she's made. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And it says, "For the love of old lace." So that must be the name of the paper, is Old Lace. And we both have a love for old lace, absolutely. And she's got a little, oh, this is a clip here. This is a little clip that she's added here. And I think there's a stick, yeah, there's a stick pin there. So let me just put that back on here. And then she's got lace down the side. And you open it up like this. And then both of these flaps flip open. Look at this. It's just incredible. Like, my mouth hit the floor when I saw her make. She made a little pin cushion. I wondered if she had lavender in that, but look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, and she's added some beautiful little goodies in here, and I think these are from Marilou, if I'm not mistaken. Look at how gorgeous these are. Who is Gracie's Place? I have a feeling that's where these are from. Look at these. Absolutely gorgeous. I love those, Siobhan. Thank you so much, my friend. It's just gorgeous. And then here she's made, oh, a little notebook. Oh, and look at her. Isn't she cute? Oh, she's adorable. I love her. And then she's made this beautiful notebook with all this gorgeous tea-dyed paper and some, she's put some sprays on it too. I love this. I love this. Thank you so much. Oops. And then over here, she's got a little doily. She's got a paper doily. There's a little slot here. She's got a little vintage doily, a tag, and then she's made this little vellum envelope with this little piece here, and there's a butterfly on that she stamped, and then there's a journaling card on the inside of that. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot believe you sent this to me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm just blown away. And then she's made another journaling book here. Look at this. Tiny little pin. Vintage laces that she's dyed there. More beautiful tea-dyed paper to write on. Lots of journaling spots. Oh, Siobhan, this is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And that fits in that pocket. And then she's got this beautiful tag here. Whoops. Just caught there. She's got this beautiful tag here with more lace on it, and she's decorated the corset there. I mean, it's beautiful. And then there's a little corner pocket here that she's done with this little tag in it. Isn't that amazing? Girl, you've got mad skills. Mad skills. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, and I missed this pocket here. Look at this is a little clothes peg, and she's got a little spool there, and then this, I believe, opens once you remove this. This opens up, and then there's a little envelope there with the journaling spot. And then here she's made another envelope, another vellum envelope, and done this little button and lace. And then she's got another tag here. So there's all kinds of really cute little tuck spots. You have done just an incredible job on this, Siobhan. It's amazing. And then here she's done another tag and another vellum envelope here. Like, just so beautiful. All sewn on her machine. I love this paper. I love it. It's so beautiful, Siobhan. Thank you so much. You have completely and totally spoiled me. And I'm just blown away by your generosity and your kindness. But most of all, I'm just totally blessed to have you as my dear, dear friend, and nothing, you know, can top that. It's just, I'm so glad you're in my life. Thank you so much for everything and all these wonderful gifts and my birthday cake, because we're going to have that later, and probably with some Jaffa cakes. Everything's beautiful, Siobhan. Your bags, and of course this beautiful wrap that you have gifted me. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous and Victorian, and I love it. I love everything. Oh my goodness, I love you, my friend, so much. Thank you for everything. You're just incredible. And I will be back with another video soon, guys. And Siobhan, mwah, I'll talk to you very shortly. Bye, guys.